my name's Bart. My partner Penny and I bought our UME10TS about a year ago because we were sick to death of paying large amounts of money for people to come out and do work that this machine can do on our little hobby farm here. As you can see, we live on the side of a hill, and this machine handles this slope without any problems at all, as long as you just go slowly and position the machine properly. I've got a little bit of work to do today, so I thought I'd just jump on board, fire it up, and you can see how this machine goes. As you can see, I'm no expert operator. The ground here is rocky and clay and hard. But our mate, Dougie, gets through it without any problems at all, slowly but surely. A great little machine, happy to recommend. It's been a game changer for us.